Introducing Myflowsoft Warehouse Management Software and Android PDA app. Powered by advanced Android PDA app, every receiving, put away, picking, packing, and dispatch action syncs instantly to Myflowsoft WMS. This gives real-time inventory updates, full worker accountability, and complete traceability. It highlights exact aisles and bins on handheld devices, guiding pickers with zero confusion. Added smart bin integration to capture every stock move automatically. This supports vendor-managed inventory with automated purchase requests and orders. Vendors can replenish stock proactively, saving hours and preventing stockouts. Myflowsoft's 3D Warehouse Visual Navigator works for 3PL, cold storage, or manufacturing. Plus, it shows a live digital twin of warehouse activity, space use, SKU movement, and bin level visibility. Myflowsoft WMS, the smart platform that connects your entire warehouse in real time. Gain true warehouse intelligence. Stop relying on manual checks, disconnected systems, and Excel sheets that cause costly inventory errors. Visit myflowsoft.com today or call us on given number.